Alright, I'll show you another use for a snowmobile. There's some trees that fell down on the side of our road. The old timers call it standing dead, and it's basically dead trees that are standing and then they fall in a windstorm. So what it is, I made use of a plastic toboggan, El Cheapo one, and I put two small ones here, put a long one, wrapped it with a bungee cord, and dragged it for about 2 kilometers down a trail with a snowmobile. No problems. I'll cut it up tonight, split it, so next time we come up, we'll be good.